you.
Oh, it's a H26.
Come on, move forwards.
Styrofoam. Oh wow, that's different. The other one goes to that style, that one goes to Styrofoam. Oh no, Stewie's gonna have the mission to rename the other one to Styrofoam. Westless. Westless looks really because it's near. I've seen it, they're often in Hatton Park in the summer when they had a day trip. That's why I see Westless quite a lot down in my place. Play. There's a Journingus play for you. Yay! What I did. Hello. And there's the home.
These buses are boring me.
What?
These bus routes are boring me.
Yeah, where should we go, Stewie? Should we go somewhere else?
I don't know.
We could always go for, if you're hungry, we could always go to McDonald's and look at the other time we had McDonald's and
I'd get hungry again.
Yeah, that's true. I was going to say, the other time we had McDonald's, the shop would be open, then look at the shop, but we'll do that later then. And then I'll go back to your house before I go home, because I'll quite this Daddy and say hi to her. And to Gina. You know, Eddie doesn't wake you up now because she gets told off. I tell her to wake Georgina up now, she wakes Georgina up.
Well, you won't see George today anyway.
Fun?
You won't see George today anyway.
Yeah, why's that?
Because she's staying at my mum's friend's house.
Oh. So it might not be much point to go back to yours.
Because apparently she's getting picked up today to go stay at my mum's friend's house.
Oh, that's good. Yay! I'll see how it goes.
By the time I get back, she'll be gone.
Oh, I see. What time do you plan to go home today?
I don't know.
Probably after the silk way or late?
I'm trying to stay out for as long as I can.
Yeah, Triple Day to stay out all night.
I ain't staying out all night.
I don't want to. Did you not sleep at all last night?
No.
Yeah, you did it all night. That's the famous Stewie who does the famous all-nighters. And what's this play coming in? If you know it. Go round, go round, go round. Oh, there's a wild Stewie. Oh look, what's coming? Oh, it's a toast lorry. It's a toast lorry. Yeah, toast lorry. Yeah, I got a wave. You were trying something slowly. Oh, luckily it's just a puddle. You.
Wait, what?
What?
I need to search something.
Ooh.
But I also did say, this may not show.
What's that?
TFSP. What are you?
Well, there's another. What's coming in?
We're meant to be getting that.
Wow.
Apparently.
At what time?
Don't know.
Did that H25 just honk at me? Oh, it was
I said
H26.
it may not show.
Oh, wow.
But if that comes, I'll be flipping happy.
What time's that doing?
So I've never seen Iceland cargo in the new livery. It's meant to be in at 4 o'clock.
Oh, so we could stay till 4.
But I don't know if it's going to come.
Yeah. Eddie won't mind that I don't go back to your house, would she?
She won't even know.
That's true, yeah.
I'm going to keep an eye on that 7.6.
Yay!
If that actually comes down to London, I'm getting it.
So when I stay at the hotel, Stu, do you want to stay with me one night?
Maybe.
Well, that depends if I get wrong with you, of course. Who's going to get it? It's, I think it's... I can try one the country. Hello! Welcome to this live stream. Oh, there's a plane. Uh-oh. There's a bus, I mean. Okay. Stuart. I have to do sideways as well. That's clever. I have to do sideways. I'm discovering new things with this camera. Oh, look. Let's put that way now. There's another bus coming. It's the blue one. I like this blue one. Oh, who's that? It's 490. It's a 490. Hatton Cross, beautiful. There's no underground trains today, so there's rail replacement buses. And then there's a Kingston one. Let's do it. He's looking at things. Oh, there's a guy there.
No, it's my car.
I can hear a flag.
Yeah,
I see a flag. It's a BA. Oops, there's a railway license. Uh-oh. They also seem to be have buses with the iron core registration with the advert on them. 482. 2 people setting on fire. And there's a 90th effective. The 90th effective Felton. Air World, yay!
And tomorrow, I'm down at London City.
Why are you at London City?
For an inaugural flight.
Had triple days go at it.
I'm spotting it.
What?
I'm spotting it.
Yay! Who's doing their inaugural flight tomorrow?
Dolomiti. It's a
I
German.
never heard of them,
It's
no.
a German airline.
Okay.
I
I don't know who had Dolomiti. What type are they training in?
They go for the start of the summer season.
Oh, that's good. When I stay at the hotel, I'm doing a day at London City. Because I don't know why I didn't last time.
Then Monday I'm doing absolute nothing.
And then you go sleep all day Monday. Unless I ring you up. That's joking.
Bloody won't.
No, I won't do that.
I'll just turn my phone off.
Oh yes. Superloop, yay! I like Superloop.
I'll turn my phone off, then you can't message you.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't do that to you, Stewie.
I should have work anyway.
Sorry?
We'll have work anyway.
I gotta work, yeah. I thought I'd do London City tomorrow now, but nah. I've got plenty of time to do London City in the summer. But I don't know why I didn't do it the last time I stayed at the hotel.
Oh.
Uh-oh, yay! Another one! Well, it doesn't, technically it doesn't say that's fine, it says Hatton Cross. Oh, I hear a Dio. And there is the Dio. Yes, yes. Silo sandwiches. I don't know, that's oh, wow, there's 2 Superloops in the same shop. Yay! Let's go to West Croydon. And there's a random lorry. And there's Stuart. We've both got the same hat today. Because it's too warm for my Fox hat, so... Okie dokie, that'll be enough filming for now. I've just done one more plate cut over then, save the video. Ooh, hello, banana, took a feather, yay! Oh wow, look at sausage, yay! Yes, well now then, get away.
Time to pass so I can get lunch.
What?
I thought time to pass so I can get some lunch.
I thought it time to fall.
No, time to pass.
Oh, pass, yeah. You can fall if you want to,
So I can
Stewie.
get lunch at a reasonable time.
What now?
So I can get food at a reasonable time, that's why.
Oh yeah. What you want to do? Get going somewhere soon. I'll follow the Stewie. I'll follow him around all day until he gets home.
Until So you got to go to the train station.
Oh yeah.
Which is Feltham.
I might go to Felton. Or I might go to Richmond.
Now you can go Feltham.
Yeah, that's true. I want to go on a railway replacement.
I can, you ain't.
Yeah, oh, I think I might. I think I'll go on yours. Pardon me, the air's so today. Yeah. That's another 10-minute video. I think I'll say the yay.